We're out here on the Lake Mead Visitor Center. That's Lake Mead down there. Just taking some pictures. This is the visitor center. This is it, y'all. Lake Mead. Look at this cactus growing here.
Well, we go next one. Go.
That's Mom and Dad out there enjoying Lake Mead views. Hopefully Grand Canyon will be more grand here than this. Here's Ari going into the visitor center to use the bathroom. Here are the bathrooms over here. It's the National Park Service. Check out the scenery over here. Look at the scenery over here, Ari. Of Lake Mead. Can't see.
They hope.
Hi, Ari.
View, bridge, see that day, no. Wow, Jay Shopper phone jam.
Oh, yeah, that's the bridge right there.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
Here we are, climbing up the stairway to the Memorial Bridge. My bad, this is not the Hoover Dam. This is the Memorial Bridge. Hi, Ari.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Marlon. This is how it's going. Say hi.
Hi.
This is how it's going. There it is, the site. Walking to the bridge. Oh, these rats. That's it right there. Hi, Marlon. Look at this. There it is. Come look down here. That's part of the water that goes down to Lake Mead. Look at these guys. You like that, Ari? We are on the bridge overlooking the Hoover Dam right there. That's the Hoover Dam right there. Is it cool, Ari? Hoover Dam. That's Hoover Dam. How's it, Ari? Ready to go back?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go back. Alright, this is it for the Hoover Dam. Peace out. Walking back to the car. Not bad. So we're just here at a quick scenic overlook view. Just hanging out. Joshua Tree State Forest, I think. This is like 15 minutes from Grand Canyon. See you at Grand Canyon in a bit. So we're here trying to go to the rim. We got our tickets ready. You kids ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be scary out there.
Why?
Nah, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be cool. Here we are, loading up to go up. Here we are at the Skywalk here. This is the Grand Canyon. Right off behind these chains is the drop off. I don't know if we trust this kid running around like this. So we're gonna go to the Skywalk, and the Skywalk is over there, which is gonna overlook the valley. I did not tell my parents about that yet, but they're gonna see in a bit here. All right, see y'all back in a bit.
Hi guys.
How is it?
Good.
How do you like this place?
So fun.
So fun?
Yeah.
Look at this. Ari's over here. Yeah. Skywalk entrance. That's where we're gonna be at, but no cameras allowed, so this is it right here. So here's the Skywalk at Eagle Point. And if anybody needs an elevator's over here, so wheelchairs are allowed on the glass. This is the elevator right here to go up. And on up to second floor Skywalk. This is the entrance to the Skywalk here. Yeah. So these guys didn't go on the Skywalk. They stayed back and ate because they were hungry. This is a little food truck right here. The Skywalk was nice, but too bad we didn't get no camera access. So right here. Let's look at the reviews. Look at these. They're saying it's high. How was lunch, Ari? What'd you guys eat? What'd you guys eat from the cafe?
Burger.
Burger?
Pickles and fries.
And fries?
Yeah, and ketchup and milk.
Oh. Hi, Marlon. This place is pretty grand. Kids who climb on rocks. know. We just gotta look. Getting ready to go to another viewpoint. Hopefully we got better views over there. This is a pretty nice view though. Those are ravens, Marlon. Kid thinks he's gonna get another shuttle to the Guano Point. Back this way somewhere. Here comes the bus, shuttle bus. Marlon is excited to get on that bus. That's the Eagle Point over there. So here we are. We just got off the shuttle bus. This is the Ghana Point. And it's a 360 view. This guy needs to be seatbelted because there is no railings or fences here. And it's a 360 view of the canyon right here. Let's see how this looks like, man. I better slow my roll because there is no railings or fences here. Oh no, there is no fences, yo. If you fall off this, you're done. Man. This is the drop off, man. That's the drop off right there, man. Just take a scan of this right here. Ohio. All right, Ari. This is the fam right here. That's over the edge right there. Strolling around here. Look at this view. Look at this view. God, this is crazy. we are. We are done for the day. This is it. We're going back home. You ready to go back home, Ari? This is leaving the Grand Canyon. These are all the Joshua trees out here in Arizona.